Hello and welcome to my weekly keto recipes videos. Every Tuesday I want to share a simple recipe that I found that would fit into the keto eating plan. Back a while ago when I started doing the keto diet, I was talking to different family members about it, and my sister-in-law was nice enough to share quite a few different recipes with me to do for keto. And I don't know if she expected me to make any videos out of them, but here we go. This one's called Jalapeno Popper Chicken Casserole, which is kind of a mouthful to say. I did cook it before, and it was pretty good. It's very simple. It's just 6 ingredients in this recipe. You just pretty much put it in a pan and bake it. So let's go ahead and get started. And here's all what's in it. Pretty simple stuff. It's 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken. I'm using the chicken tenderloins because they're on sale this week. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of jalapeno peppers, 4 ounces of cheddar cheese. The recipe calls for half a cup of crumbled bacon, but that's pretty much this entire thing of bacon bits there. So I'm just going to use the whole bag of that one. So it's a 3-ounce bag of bacon bits there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before we spread add the cream cheese to the chicken, we'll go ahead and soften it up a bit. To do that, we'll just put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. And while that's going, we'll go ahead and add the garlic powder over the chicken. Just spread that evenly there. I put the garlic powder over the chicken. I went ahead and got a little bit more because one, I like garlic, and two, I actually got it all in one spot there. But anyway, now we'll spread the cream cheese over the top of the chicken. I got the cream cheese covering the chicken, and now I cut up the jalapenos into slices and washed them off and stuff. Now I'm just going to cover the top of this with the jalapenos. I got the jalapenos covering the cream cheese, covering the chicken. Now I'll get the cheddar cheese, cover the top of that with it. Okay, I finished covering it with the cheese, and I got the oven preheated to 375. So we'll go ahead and put that in and set that in there for 40 minutes. Right, it baked for 40 minutes now, and now we'll go ahead and add the bacon bits on the top. All right, I got the bacon covering and put it back to 375. And I'll bake it for another 5 minutes. And there's the finished product. I think I'm going to get about 4 servings out of that. The instructions say it's 8 servings, but I don't know. Yeah, it's a pretty simple recipe. Just 4 or 5 ingredients. It smells amazing, but I can't think of one thing to say other than I probably should have used some non-stick spray on me. That looks like it's going to be fun to clean. Thanks for watching. Every Tuesday I want to come out with a keto-friendly recipe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.